her face, her hair, and her dress, pretty much. So let's get started with her face. Take a cream color pencil or the color match with some familiar face, just like this, and grab a pencil like this. Okay, not like this, like this. And now start drawing, just like this. Give it a nice and shiny smoothie color, just like this. Draw something like this that when someone see, they can't realize that it's drawing or that's real color. They're like this. Okay, so just a little nice and shiny smoothie color, just like this. Okay, just like this. See, okay, it's already looking so nice, so gorgeous. And now her hair, so she has a nice, or not the orange color hair, I think she has sky blue color eyes and sky blue color hair. Okay, so let's go with the sky blue eyes, just like this. Okay, just be patient and relax when you are drawing. Okay, and one thing, I have a question for you guys. What is your favorite, no, sorry, who is your favorite princess from Disney World? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I'll tell you in the second episode or second video. Just give it a nice and shiny flow, just like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so her hair is, top side of her hair is done, kind of, and the second part of her head or hair, whatever you say, you draw it like this, nice and shiny flow, and don't press it too much hard. And if you press too much hard, then it will become like this, and it won't look so good. Okay, just draw some some nice and shiny, gently coloring the hair like this. Okay, Okay, it's almost done. It's a little bit of drawing left inside her hair side, just like this. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking so nice and so gorgeous. The upper side, if you see that, you see here, from here it looks so good and so nice. So it's already 6:30 seconds, so I don't want to take too much time for this episode, and I'll show rest of the video in the second last part, I hope. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next part.